ReadyMakers Limited provide a portfolio of affordable hosting solutions including traditional website hosting, virtual private service, dedicated service and colocation. In 2010, the web hosting industry in the US was valued at $8.6 billion.
So, what is web hosting? A computer has a hard drive, processor and memory, and by making them constantly available for others to use online, it becomes a server capable of hosting websites, databases, and enabling multiple forms of digital data exchange. ReadyMakers utilizes much bigger servers in a dedicated space, which accommodates online storage, game servers, or even remote desktop access.
Funded in 2012, we provide safe, secure and powerful web hosting service to over 150 active clients worldwide. We plan to increase our market share. With the big pitch prize money on offer, ReadyMakers can expand, invest in more servers, more staff to operate them, and the means to market our service more effectively as we move forward. Yeah!